at the Republic Day parade. Please tell us about yourself as well as the contingent that you're leading.
So I'm Captain Harshita Raghav, and I'm a second generation officer of my family. I'm also among the first batch of women officers in RVC, and presently I am a part of RVC contingent as the contingent commander.
And ma'am, please tell us about the contingent. We are seeing that a lot of new animals which are being used by the army are coming for the parade. So which are these different animals, and who will be part of the parade?
Okay. So our RVC contingent is very uniquely curated this time. You must have seen in the visuals as well. So we have 2 Bactrian camels that have come from Ladakh. 4 Zanskari ponies are also a part of the contingent, followed by 4 raptors, and then we have army dogs, in which we have 5 types of indigenous breeds, apart from the 3 conventional breeds that are used by Indian Army.
And can you tell us about what are they being used for, ma'am?
Okay, so these raptors are presently used for anti-drone operations and surveillance, and also for surveillance. You can observe that there is a small camera mounted on their head. So they are presently being trained for surveillance purposes by making use of those cameras on their heads.
And ma'am, like there are so many different, and they must be in the parade with their trainers and handlers. How difficult or how easy it is to use them for something very disciplined like a parade?
Eventually, these animals are also soldiers, and soldiers are known for their discipline. So, training an animal requires you to understand the neuroscience behind it. And once you understand that science, then birds, animals, they are highly trainable. And that is how we train them for marching on this parade as well.
And the raptors also take command, like do they understand what they have to do, their role as anti-drone in anti-drone operations? Do they understand what they have to do?
Yes, the aspect of their training is different from the aspect of training of other animals. So based on their part of training, then they do understand differently, but yes, they also do understand that part.
And lastly, ma'am, if you can tell us about the 5 indigenous breed of dogs that is taking part at the parade.
Okay, so the 5 indigenous breeds that are a part of the parade include Budhol Hound, Rampur Hound, Rajapalayam, Chippy Parrey and Comboi breeds.
And are they operationally inducted in operations in counter-insurgency and other places, the indigenous ones?
So the army dogs basically have 2 main roles, the protection purpose and detection purpose. Detection dog includes explosive detection, mine detection, tracking, and search and rescue operations, as well as avalanche rescue operations. And protection purpose mainly has assault dogs and guard dogs. So based on the ability of these dogs, they have been given different roles.